Hi, welcome to Lillian's English Place. My name is Lillian. Today we will be looking at how to use a, an, and the. Now we're going to start with using a. When do we use a? For singular nouns. So when I talk about singular nouns here and I have in parentheses consonants, it just means that those nouns that begin with a consonant. And if you go back to some of our videos, we've done a video on how to use a and an, and we've explained the usage of consonants and vowels with nouns. Right, so for example, we have this is a book. The second way we can use a is to describe people or things. For example, she is a teacher. And we can also use a to talk about things or people in a general sense. Now I want you to take note of this because we are going to talk about this in detail. Using an. We use an for singular nouns, and here in parentheses I have written vowels. It just means that nouns that begin with a vowel, such as we have apple here. Example, this is an apple. We use an to describe people or things. For example, she is an engineer. And we use an to talk about things or people in a general sense. So we have similar usages for a and an. Let's look at the. When do we use the? We use the for names of some countries. Now this is important. I underline this. Some countries. It means that you cannot use the with all the countries in the world. Now, for example, we have here the United States of America. Now, I get the question all the time from my students, why do we put the before the United States of America? The answer is simple, because the word the is part of the name of this country, right? So if you have a country like Canada, right? Oh, it's not writing really nice here, but we'll do with that. So if you have, for example, a country like this, Canada, you cannot write the. You cannot say the Canada. Oh no, it is wrong. It is wrong because the is not part of the name Canada, the name of the country Canada. So no the. We use the with names of rivers. We have the Mississippi, we have the Nile. We also use the to talk about things or people in a specific sense. Now remember, we just talked about using a and an with people in or things in a general sense, and here we see specific sense. Let's look at that in detail. When we have general and specific, what does that really mean? Okay, let's look at some examples. This is a book. When you say this is a book, I could ask you, what book? What book are you talking about? Right? So when you say this is a book, it could be any book. It's a book in general, books in general. But when you say the book is read, oh yes, now you're talking about a specific book which is red in color, right? Let's look at another example. She cooks a chicken, and here we have she cooks the chicken that she bought. Now this is very clear. She cooks a chicken, any chicken, and she cooks the chicken that she bought from the supermarket or from the store or from the butchers. Next example, an elephant is big. Any elephant is big, right? As opposed to the elephant is big. Now you're talking about a specific elephant. Maybe an elephant the elephant that you saw in a zoo, or the elephant that you saw in the movies. For exercises on this lesson, go to lilliansenglishplace.com/quizcentral. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.